Have you ever walked into a home and immediately felt calm, like everything was just in its right place? It's not just spotless floors or dust-free shelves, it's the feeling of peace. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on the everyday habits seniors use to keep their homes inviting, fresh, and stress-free. If you're over 50 and looking to create a home that feels more like a sanctuary, without overwhelming yourself, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We share weekly videos to help you live better, feel calmer, and age gracefully, starting right at home. Now let's get into the daily habits that make a big difference. Number 1. Tidy up before bed. The day may be winding down, but for many seniors with consistently clean homes, this is the golden moment. Just 10 to 15 minutes of tidying up before bed makes all the difference. No dishes left in the sink, no clothes on the couch. A clean slate in the morning leads to a smoother, more peaceful day. One woman lights a calming candle, fluffs the pillows, takes out the trash, and checks that the entryway is clutter-free, just in case someone drops by early. Number 2. Clean as you go. Forget marathon cleaning sessions. The secret is in the small moments. Wipe the counter right after using it. Put things back where they belong. Don't leave a room empty-handed. A quick rinse, a simple sweep, it all adds up. One retired chef always sweeps after cooking. Sticky crumbs are harder later, she says. And she's right. Number 3. Declutter continuously. These seniors don't wait for spring cleaning. They declutter a little every week. One drawer. One closet. One item in, one item out. Donation boxes are kept handy. If something doesn't spark joy or serve a purpose, out it goes. It's not about minimalism, it's about making space for peace. Number 4. Prioritize high-traffic areas. Not every room has to be perfect, but the spaces you use the most? Keep those in check. Think kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and living room floors. Quick wipes, a little vacuuming before bed, and attention to the entryway give the whole house a clean feel, without hours of work. Number 5. Create a morning routine. Starting the day with structure sets the tone. Many tidy seniors include light chores in their morning ritual. Make the bed, open a window for fresh air, unload the dishwasher. One viewer said, "I sip my coffee while putting away last night's dishes. It's my version of meditation." Number 6. Use smart storage solutions. Bins, baskets, labeled containers. These small investments keep things neat and accessible. Whether it's scarves in a closet bin or remote controls in a living room basket, everything has a home. And multifunctional furniture? That's a game changer. Think ottomans with hidden storage or beds with built-in drawers. Number 7. Break tasks into small wins. Nobody wants to clean all day. And thankfully, you don't have to. Break big jobs into bite-sized pieces. Vacuum one day. Dust the next. One senior sets a timer for 15 minutes and stops when it goes off. No pressure, just progress. Number 8. Keep cleaning supplies handy. Out of sight might mean out of mind. So these seniors keep microfiber cloths, spray bottles, and brushes nearby, one in every room if needed. One clever tip? A portable cleaning caddy. Just grab and go. Less fuss, more flow. Number 9. Invite nature in. A few plants or fresh flowers can transform a space. Not only do they purify the air, they bring life, color, and calm. A small herb garden on the windowsill or a vase of garden clippings on the table can make a room feel cared for and alive. Number 10. Reflect on the why. It's not just about keeping up appearances. For many seniors, cleaning is self-care. A way to honor the home. A way to feel in control. One woman cleans her kitchen nightly because it reminds her of her mother's love. For another, a tidy space eases her anxiety. Cleaning becomes an act of gratitude. Number 11. Embrace seasonal deep cleaning. While daily habits keep things in check, seasonal rituals give everything a fresh reset. Think, flipping mattresses, scrubbing carpets, or organizing for the coming season. One senior swears by her spring window washing ritual. It lets in more light and more joy. Number 12. Create activity zones. Crafting, reading, stretching. Each has its own space. Zoning helps prevent clutter and adds purpose to each corner of the home. A reading nook with a cozy chair. A crafting table with labeled bins. A yoga mat ready to roll out. These spaces inspire action and order. Number 13. Make cleaning enjoyable. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. One senior invites a friend over for seasonal decluttering, coffee and laughter included. Another plays her favorite playlist while scrubbing floors, dancing through her routine. By pairing cleaning with something joyful, it becomes more than a task. It becomes a form of wellness. Number 14. Set a weekly deep clean day. Many tidy seniors choose one day a week for heavier tasks. Maybe Saturday mornings are for dusting shelves and cleaning appliances. This routine removes decision fatigue and ensures deep cleans don't get skipped. One woman rotates her focus weekly: kitchen, bathrooms, windows, so no job ever feels too big. Number 15. Keep a laundry schedule. Instead of letting laundry pile up, these seniors pick dedicated days: Mondays for clothes, Fridays for towels. And they fold immediately, no laundry baskets lingering. One tip? Set a timer so you don't forget a load. It's simple, it's smooth, and it keeps laundry stress-free. Number 16. Schedule seasonal maintenance. Beyond cleaning, seasonal upkeep matters. Air filters, deep-cleaned rugs, weatherproofing windows, it all helps avoid bigger issues later. One man checks gutters in fall, another deep cleans rugs in winter. These check-ins protect the home and offer a satisfying sense of readiness. Now you know the habits that keep seniors' homes clean, calm, and inviting. But here's the real secret. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing a little every day with purpose. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your favorite home habit below. We'd love to hear it. And if you'd like to keep the momentum going, check out our next video on 10 ways to simplify your life after 60. You'll find even more tips to create space for what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.